Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to help you stay secure and savvy. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to transfer Solana from your Phantom wallet to a Trezor wallet in 2025. With the evolving crypto landscape, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like Trezor is a smart move for better security and peace of mind. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. After all, we're dealing with your hard-earned crypto. Before we jump in, make sure you have a few things ready: your Phantom wallet with some Solana in it, your Trezor device properly set up and connected to your computer, and a reliable internet connection. Oh, and remember, this guide is based on 2025 updates, so features might have changed slightly from previous years. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Phantom wallet. This could be through your browser extension or mobile app, whichever you use. Once you're in, navigate to your Solana holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Click on Solana to select it. Next, look for the Send or Transfer button. This is usually prominent on the interface. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, but be cautious, don't send more than you intend. Now, the key part. You need the receiving address from your Trezor wallet. Plug in your Trezor device, open the Trezor Suite app, and go to the Wallet section. Generate or copy the Solana address from there. Make sure it's the correct one to prevent any errors. Paste that address into the "to" field in Phantom Wallet. Double-check it for accuracy. One wrong character could send your Solana to the wrong place, and that's not something you want. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm or Send. You'll likely need to approve the transaction with your Phantom wallet password or biometric auth. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on the transaction status. It might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Head back to your Trezor suite and refresh to see if the Solana has arrived. If all goes well, you're all set. Your assets are now safer in your hardware wallet. That's it for this quick guide. Transferring Solana is easier than ever in 2025, but always prioritize security. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.